Grace O'Malley. Once upon a time, on a wild green island, lived a girl with long ginger hair. Her name was Grace. When the wind howled and waves crashed against the rocks, Grace would stand on the cliff top and dream of sailing out across the stormy seas. "Girls cannot be sailors," her father told her. "And anyway, your long hair would get tangled in the rigging." Grace didn't like this one bit. She cut her hair short and dressed in boys' clothes to prove to her family that she too could live the life of the sea. Finally, one day, her father agreed to take her sailing on one condition. "If we meet a pirate ship, hide below deck," he said. But when they were attacked, Grace leaped off the rigging and landed on one of the pirates' backs. Her surprise attack worked, and they beat the pirates off. Grace was a fine sailor and wanted to do something more exciting than catching fish. When the English attacked her castle, she became a pirate herself rather than submit to English rule. Grace was so successful that soon she had her own fleet of ships, as well as several islands and castles along the west coast of Ireland. When the English captured her sons, Grace sailed to meet the Queen of England, Elizabeth I, to try and save them. To everyone's surprise, the Queen and Grace became friends. The Queen returned her sons and possessions, and Grace helped her fight against England's enemies, the Spanish.